Excellent.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah.
You guys can't have my.
It's the one that has 5-star in both of them. It's the only one that's there. It's
Oh
on the
my
bottom right.
god. It's still fighting me. Well, I can successfully say that all this. Excuse me. What's wild is. Nice. Nice. You guys have to vote. Excuse me.
Oh, thanks.
Comes out like this. That's it. It's. No friends are online or nothing, so. Okay, I need to focus. Yeah, I don't stream as much. I was. Excuse me. Excuse me. Jesus. So. Excuse me. I know that I've been like. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Come here, Pookie. Time to fucking. Oh. I need more kills. What do I get after that? Excuse me. Excuse me. Hold on, guys. I'm opening tits.
Yes, thank you. We got a win.
We did our first game and our last one too. Excuse me.
Bottle.
No, thank you, bus driver. Excuse me. Whoa. Excuse me. I wish I obtained. Oh.
I'll need to record
Especially if it's a bar with like. Oh my god, I don't know where that came from.
Solid.
I said yeah. I wish I could make potions in real life, but.
Objects, you'll need what's
Excuse me.
are like recipes.
I'm touching his nipple.
I'm my finger up his nose.
Levi.
There we go. It's sticking it.
Brilliant. Oh, that explains it. What I need specifically is a
Excuse me. Oh my god. This one's pretty good. I wish I could like have them play it again. Excuse me. Hi,
I
Pat.
stick my finger up his nose.
Levi.
There we go. It's stick.